Hi! In front of me is TCL 30SE, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Following that, install this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it and mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Then select those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on this gear at the top right corner. Then select I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. When you're ready, go back, tap on Set Wallpaper, and select one of those options. After adjusting your wallpaper, you can always change it. Home screen or home screen and lock screen. So when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. If you wish to change its settings, go into Magic Fluids again, tap on those three lines, select Set as Live Wallpaper and click on the same gear at the top right corner. Now change all of those options however you want to. Lastly, click on the back button, choose Set Wallpaper again, decide where you wish to apply it, and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!